Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, filming today from our brand new 13,000 square foot showroom in Nuneaton. Today we're going to be reviewing and having a quick walk through the Vango Joro Air 450 tent. So the Joro series this year is part of the Earth collection from Vango. So they come in two different sizes, which is the 450 as shown here, which is your 4-person tent, and the slightly larger 600 XL, which is your 6-berth tent. Okay, so both of those sizes come in an aired and a pole version, and also a choice of two fabrics. So the first of which is the Eco Sentinel, which comes in this lovely Moroccan blue colour. It's 3000mm hydrostatic head, and it's actually made up of 207 plastic water bottles, which are sort of broken down, turned into shards, and then woven into the fabric itself. It also comes in a slightly more premium fabric, which I think is, for this particular model, retailing about £150 more, but it's slightly thicker in a darker shade of blue. Again, has slightly more robust waterproof qualities at 4000mm hydrostatic head, and also comes with a single point inflation. So we'll just talk about the air beam structure now. So Vango has really been a pioneer in the air beam technology space for the last sort of 10 years. And this tent in particular comes with the dual action pump, which locks into the air valves on each of these 4 beams. Also, other exterior points, you've got the hooded ventilation at the back to keep the temperature really well moderated in the bedroom space. You've got really nice high-vis guy lines around the tent. Let's have a quick look inside the tent now, and we'll just go through some of the interior features. Okay, so we're now in the interior section of the tent. So the first part of this, being the 3-zone element of the Joro tent, is the nice spacious porch area. So on both sides you've got these lovely big crystal clear windows which just let a lot of light pour into this space. You've also got the door, which again has 2 further crystal clear windows once it's fully zipped up. This space is just great. It can be used as a wet room, storage, or as your sort of camp kitchen area. It then also really nicely, it's got the drop down ground sheet which allows easy access with prams getting into the living space of the tent. We've also got the toggle down curtains, which again can be taken to halfway height as a sort of veranda style, or taken the whole way up. We'll now have a quick look into the living space and just go through some of the features in there. So first of all, you've got the 2 side mesh panels, which again just help a lot of light pour into this living section. Come into this right hand side, again you've got a really nice big crystal clear window, and the lower level ventilation, which just really helps with helping the condensation and just moderating the temperature in the tent. Also down here you've got external cable entry, so again that can come in from your hookup, and any cabling can come up along this final air beam and attach, it can be attached to any sort of lanterns that you've got there. On this side we've got the side door, so again this can be fully zipped out, and by the use of sort of adjustable king poles can act as a canopy, which again can just let a lot of airflow through the tent. But it can also be fully zipped up as we've got here, just to help with weatherproofing and stuff like that. Just then going on to this section, so this is the tension band system that Vango put in place in this tent. So it really just acts as extra stability in the event of high winds, just acts as an internal guy system. So yeah, really good on that. Then just going into the bedroom space, so we've got the central divider in here to split the bedroom area, and Vango call it their nightfall system. So it's a really nice darkened inner, and like I said, you've got the rear ventilation which just helps with airflow in the bedroom space. So yeah, I think that's everything for the interior, guys. Okay guys, so just one last look at the exterior of the tent. So we've now fully zipped up the front door, and we've also put up some of the king poles to act as a really nice canopy area to the side of the tent. So in conclusion, the Vango Joro Air 450, a great air tent for the small family that's really eco-minded. any details or any questions that you've got at all, please comment below. We're also going to share links on the actual tent itself and the accompanying accessories below. The Joro is actually going to be up on display in our showroom across the summer months, so if you want to drop in and come and see it in person, we'd love to see you. And yeah, thanks for watching.